Hey guys, it's Martin again. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the latest Google Home Hub. This actually released today, but it was actually announced like 2 weeks ago. And this is the first Google Assistant device with a screen made by Google. Of course, there is a couple other devices like the Lenovo and the JBL, but this is the first one from Google. And I decided to go ahead and pick it up because this time around it's only $150. Is the cheapest one of the bunch that has screens on it. So right now, let's go and show you guys here. It says has two far field microphones. The screen is actually a touchscreen 7-inch, and it has a light sensor right there in the middle. Has full range speakers right there. Of course, it also has Bluetooth 5.0. It works with Android and iOS, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, voice match, multi-room audio. Over here in the back it says command your day, simplify your smart home, answers for any moment, play your favorite songs, relive your memories, and make hands-free calls. And over here, of course, you got some of the commands you can actually tell the device to do. And basically that's it. So let's go ahead and actually unbox this thing right here. Okay, there you go. We got that out of the way. And okay, here we go. There you have it. This is the device, which actually looks like a damn tablet. It looks like a small 7-inch tablet with huge bezels. And over here, this is the charcoal color that I chose. There is 3 other more colors available, but this is the one that I chose because, in my opinion, it lasts a lot longer without getting dirty at all. So let's go ahead and put this down and see what's over here. Over here you got the charging brick, if I'm not mistaken, with the cable, which already comes attached to it. And you got the instruction manuals. And on this side you don't have anything else. So the unboxing is actually really simple. Let's go and take this plastic out of here. There you go. And finally we have it uncovered. So here in the back you have this button right here, which seems to turn on and off the microphone. Kind of weird, right? Turn it on and off the microphone. They could have done the same thing with a camera, right? But they decided to not include a camera this time. Of course, here you got the ambient sensor. You got the 2 microphones right there. And over here you got the volume button up and down right there. And this side you have nothing. Over here, I don't know if it actually has speakers all around it or if it's 1-in-1. I don't know yet. We're going to figure out that later on. But this is where we're actually going to connect the power to it. So let's go ahead and do that and set it up. Okay, so I already plugged in the other part to the power. And now let's go ahead and plug this to the screen for the first time. Let's see how it actually responds. Because remember, this has no on-off button. The only button that you saw, it has the microphone button to turn it on and off, and the volume button, and there's no other on and off button. So right now, what it's supposed to happen is the initial setup. Let's go ahead. Ooh, look at that. Nice. It sounds pretty nice. It sounds pretty nice, those little ping sounds. But let's see if it actually gets louder than that.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
Okay, I already did that. Oh, the mic is off. She actually said the mic is off. So I was going to turn it on.
The mic's back on.
There you go. So when you turn it off.
The mic's off.
And turn it on.
The mic's back on.
What about the volume? Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the Google Home application right here. And like you see, it did change a lot from the last time I actually saw this application. Now I can add a device right there. It says set up device, invite home member, create speaker group, create a new home. Let's go and set up a device. It says set up a new device or add existing. Set up a new device to this home. And there you go. Looking for devices. Let's see if it's actually this device that it actually, okay, there you go. So you got the Google Home Hub. Let's go. Next. Now it's gonna make me enter most likely this code over here. During setup, connected. There you go. See the code? Yes. And help improve. Yes, I'm in. And where is this device? This device is gonna be in my said office. Google Home app can automatically get your Wi-Fi password. Yes, okay. And there you go. So now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, which is 2.4. Keep in mind, you can actually connect it to your 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi if you have, because it's a dual band, so you can either go 5.0 or 2.4. Okay, I agree. Your assistant can already recognize your voice, because remember, I already in my home, I already am using 2 Google Minis, and they do store your hello. Every time you say hello Google or hey Google, they already stored that. Okay, look at that. They already stored that, and so whatever device you actually add to your account is gonna add. There you go. There goes another phone in the background. It's gonna automatically use your voice that it already recognized for new devices. So that's what it's doing right now. So it says add music services. Right now these 2 are added. Pandora is also added. Spotify, I'm not using Spotify, so let's go next. Add your video services. Right now from here I'm not using none. HBO Now, Stars, Viki, I am not using none of those right now. Control Chromecast, yes, I got it there. And that's it. So right here, still updating. Okay, so there it goes. Already finishing over here. Right now, here it says select what to show when your display isn't being used. It says Google Photo, Art Gallery. Remember, this you can actually change it later on. But right now, for the purpose of the video, because I don't know what's in my photos album right now, I'm just gonna go and choose a full screen clock. This is good too. This would be great too, because it chooses pictures from a whole bunch of awesome images that is available. If you have a Chromecast before, you know what kind of images you get there. So that was cool, that's there. But right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose full screen clock. Choose next. Okay, there it is. Full screen clock. You'll have your choice of clock faces. Now you got that one, you got this one, this one. Okay, look at that. Okay, not that much, but right now I'm gonna go and choose this one. And over here it says ambient EQ light sensor. This automatically adjusts the screen brightness to blend into your room. And nope, it's not a camera. Mic mute switch. Flip the switch on the back to mute and unmute your smart display. Okay, volume controls right there. Office display is ready. That's it. Says we're done over here. And it says over here, almost done, finished setup, blah, blah, blah. I already did that. And there you have it.
Welcome to your Google Home
Woo!
Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in.
Hi, how can I help?
So you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine.
Nice.
Just say, hey Google, good morning. For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day.
Okay, so here we are finally after the initial setup and the introduction video, which is really cool to see and watch here on this 7-inch screen. Like you saw there in the video, it actually looks really damn good. Even though it's just a 7-inch screen, it does look really good. And I like the size so far of this device because it's really small and I can actually fit it like almost anywhere where I want it to fit. And one thing to keep in mind with the application here, which is the new updated home application, right away you can actually see the device right here, and you can actually control the volume from right here as well. And if you tap right here, you can also control your treble, right? And your bass as well. There you go. So that's the two things you can actually see right there. And also when you play music, when you want to play music, you can actually select the music to play over here as well, office display, and I can choose right there, go ahead and start Pandora and start playing right there. So it's going to stop right there. You see there, since I got Pandora set up with my device, it automatically plays Pandora over there using my device without giving any command whatsoever. So if you have it like this on standby, this is how it's going to look, because this is the clock face that we actually chose. Remember, you can still change the clock face to whatever face you want. If you tap right there, this is the home screen. You got your weather. This is my reminders right now. It says take vitamins at 10 a.m. And if I swipe over here, goes back there. Here it goes like to ambient mode or something like that. If I slide up, I can also see the brightness. I can adjust right here if I want. And over here, I got the volume as well. And over here, I got the no disturb button. So if you don't want it to disturb you, you're sleeping, you're using it in your bed or in your office, and you don't want to be disturbed, just make sure you choose that. If you tap right here, you got your Wi-Fi, you got about device, and basically that's it. Send feedback, and now we tap here again, slide down. If you have a whole bunch of stuff connected to your home, right now I only have lights, my media, which would be, honestly, I think this would be all the devices connected to my home network, which is bedroom speaker, office speaker, my room Google Chromecast, and that's it. If you had more devices, it's all going to be right there. Slide down again, broadcast. This is cool because if I say something here, everybody,
What's the message?
Hey, what's up, everybody? Wake up. It's kind of late already.
Got it. Broadcasting now.
So right now, it's saying that message to every room that I have a Google Mini speaker. So that is really cool that it has the broadcast feature. Also view rooms. These are basically the rooms where I have devices in, which is awesome. And let's go ahead and ask a couple commands, right? Like, hey Google, how's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in El Paso, there'll be thunderstorms with
Oh,
a
you
high
hear the
of
thunderstorms?
67 and a low of 56.
Awesome. And one thing to keep in mind, which I just realized right after setting it up, the continued voice service, it's not available here. I don't know why. For those that don't know what's continued voice service, is that I can keep asking questions without having to say, hey Google, every single time. So, hey Google, how far is Albuquerque from here?
You are 265 miles away from Albuquerque by car.
Can you send that to my phone?
Okay, it's on your phone.
Okay, let's see. Is it on my phone? I don't know. It said it's on my phone. Which phone? I have a couple phones connected to my device. How far is the moon from here?
The moon is 238,900 miles from Earth.
Who's the president of the United States?
The President of the United States of America is
Oh,
Donald
look
Trump.
at that. You got the picture and everything. Who's the governor of Puerto Rico?
Ricardo Rossello is the governor of Puerto Rico.
How old is he?
He's 39 years old.
Damn, that's a young guy, bro. And over here, you get actually education. Tap right there, and it'll give
Ricardo
you more
Rossello's
information.
education included Massachusetts
Look at that.
Institute of Technology.
Tell me a joke.
What kind of bird always forgets the words to songs? A hummingbird.
Really? Okay. Tell me another joke.
What's a big dog's favorite pastry?
I don't
A
know.
Great Danish.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Okay, that's cool. It says over here there's a couple things you can actually do here as well. Sing me a song.
Oh, okay. Here goes. I'm singing a song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing la 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 la.
That was awesome. Thank you. Back to home screen. Turn bedroom light on. It's already
You got it. Turning on the bedroom.
Turn bedroom light green.
Sure, changing the bedroom to green.
There you go. So I have the bedroom light here in my living room, which I don't know if you can actually tell the brightness. I'm going to lower it down here a little bit. Turn bedroom light blue.
Sure, changing the bedroom to blue.
There you go. Turn bedroom light white.
Sure, changing the bedroom to white.
There you go. I can also go ahead and tap over here and change the tone of the color of my bedroom light. And that's it. So that is so freaking awesome. I really like it, how cool it looks. It looks really small. It sounds really great. Let's see something sound, but the thing is about sound is I could get hit by copyright. But let's see if I can listen to something really fast. Play Bad Bunny.
Okay, playing Bad Bunny on Pandora.
There you go. Yeah. Can I see Mark the Geek videos on YouTube?
Alright, here's Mark the Geek on YouTube.
Okay.
Hey guys, you're Mark the Geek. And I gotta say, I've been really
Baby.
freaking
Look at
enjoying
that.
this
That's the
game.
video that I just uploaded a couple hours ago.
And the other kid, I forgot his name, but and Judge as well, which is the robot.
Up the volume.
And Hunter. I would love to play them, but they're locked under a freaking paywall.
Stop video. Nice. That was freaking awesome. Okay, let's see, what else can I ask? Show me some receipts for chicken stew. Chicken stew.
Here's some information from the web that might possibly help. On the website allrecipes.com, they say, combine chicken, mushrooms, onion, carrots, and stock in a large saucepan over medium heat. Simmer until carrots are tender, about 10 minutes.
Not bad. I gotta say, I really like it, how cool it actually sounds, how nice the screen actually looks. It looks really damn cool. The commands are awesome to see the commands visualized instead of just listening to the voice. That's something really cool. Now, one thing that I really would have loved to see here on this device is a camera. Because with this device, you can actually make video calls. But the problem is that the video calls will be one way only, because you can actually see the person calling you, but the person calling you can't see you. So that's kind of messed up right there. Honestly, for me, they should have put the camera there. They say that they added the camera because of security reasons. But come on, the same thing you did here with the microphone, we could have done it with the camera. We could have just turned off the camera, and that's it. Problem solved. The Lenovo speaker actually has a really beautiful design, has a front-facing speaker, has a front-facing camera, and you can turn off. You can block the camera by flipping the switch. The ambient light is pretty cool. I like that. Let me see my latest photos.
Showing your photos.
Okay, there you go. So is it slideshow or is it just photo? Okay, so it's sliding. It's showing me a slideshow of all my latest photos that I took on Saturday. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I gotta say, I'm really liking it so far. I think it's a cool device to have. But the problem is, in my opinion, they should have added a camera. Honestly, for $150, I think it's still a very cool deal. And it looks pretty cool seeing your things, your commands on the beautiful looking screen. And the sound sounds really damn good as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. This was an unboxing, initial setup, and first hands-on of the Google Home Hub, which is not bad. I like it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.